And let's take a look at question 17 here. And we want to refer to this triangle, and let's just go through each one. The sine of angle A is at 4/5. Well, the sine of angle A is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's 8/10. Reduce that, we get 4/5. So that one is correct. Okay, let's take a look at the cosine of angle A. The cosine of angle A is the adjacent side, which in this case is 6, over the hypotenuse, which is 10. So we get 3/5. That's not 5/3, is it? Probably could have figured that one out without even doing any work, because you can't have a cosine that's bigger than 1. Let's take a look at the sine of angle B. Well, the sine of angle B is the opposite, which is 6, over the hypotenuse. Let's try that again. Yeah, the sine of angle B over the hypotenuse, which is 10, which is 3/5. But what I noticed, the cosine of angle A is the same, and that is not 3/4, is it? Finally, let's find the cosine of angle B, which is going to be the same as the sine of angle A, which is 4/5. And there we have that one. And question 18, we're going to kind of do the same thing. We're dealing with tangent this time, so I'm going to say the tangent of angle D is the opposite, which is 5, over the adjacent, which is 12. So that is correct. Let's take a look at the sine of angle F. So the sine of angle F is the opposite of F, which is 12, over the hypotenuse, which is 13. So that one is correct also. Cosine of angle F cannot be 13/5, because you can't have cosine being bigger than 1. And the sine of angle D, the sine can't be bigger than angle 1. So we go yes, yes, no, no on that one. On question 19, we got Erilyn. She's designing the skateboard. This is very similar to a problem we did on the seminar way back in the beginning of this chapter. And opposite is H. Hypotenuse is 132. So we're going to use our sine. We're going to say, oh, the sine of 22 equals the opposite, which is H, over the hypotenuse, which is 132. So we're going to multiply both sides by 132. So the exact answer is 132 times the sine of 22. Notice we want to round our answer to the nearest whole inch, so we'll use our calculator at this point. So we'll take, let's get this back in here so it shows us. And I'm absent-minded, so we're going to, sorry about that. Blair Witch Problem, 132 times the sine of 22. So we take 132 times the sine of 22, and that's 49.4, but we're going to round to the nearest inch, so we're going to say that's going to be 49 inches. And there we have problem 19.